David Orrell, The Future of Everything, The Science of Prediction. Embark on a fascinating journey through The Future of Everything, The Science of Prediction by David Orrell, as we explore the accuracy and limitations of forecasting in various fields such as weather, health, and economics. Delve into the history and evolution of forecasting, from the ancient oracle at Delphi to the development of mathematical models. Understand the challenges scientists face in predicting complex systems and discover the factors that hinder their ability to provide precise predictions.
The uncertainty of forecasting. Today's society takes modern forecasting for granted, from predicting the weather to medicine and the stock market. However, the accuracy of forecasting remains uncertain. Experts cannot predict the future accurately, and scientific advancements do not guarantee foolproof forecasting. An analysis of the history of forecasting reveals the inherent problems and challenges in predicting the future. This book delves into the complex world of forecasting, elucidating the uncertainties that plague it. The history and evolution of future prediction. From the Oracle of Delphi to numerical prediction, this book explores the history of future prediction. Ancient societies like the Greeks used various methods to foretell the future, with the Oracle at Delphi being one of the most renowned. Despite the oracle's prophecies being vague, many leaders based decisions on them. However, as Christianity gained strength, the oracle's influence dwindled. In addition to mystical sources, numbers played an essential role in predicting the future. Pythagoras believed that numbers were the key to understanding the universe, and his students elevated numerical prediction to new levels. Scholars, including Plato and Socrates, refined Pythagoras' method, which led to the development of the modern scientific method. Today, social and scientific forecasting is still not entirely accurate, with predictions being as good as random guessing. However, these ancient methods remain relevant and serve as the basis of the modern scientific method for predicting the future. The evolution of forecasting. Prediction and forecasting were majorly influenced by astrology until the scientific revolution, which changed the perception of the universe as an ordered, structured place. With the establishment of the scientific method, it became clear that the universe could be explained through science. This shift was propelled by great scientists such as Tycho Brahe, Galileo, and Sir Isaac Newton. Even though forecasting has advanced significantly, the belief that the universe is ordered and structured still influences modern ways of thinking about forecasting. The limitations of predictive models. Despite centuries of experimentation, a complete understanding of the complex systems that make up our planet and universe is still out of reach. This leaves the question of whether we will ever accurately predict what will happen based on our knowledge of the smaller parts of the whole. The science of prediction has turned out to be conditional, varied, and extremely complicated. Even with advances in technology and statistical methods, predictive models are based on sets of equations that cannot precisely reflect the complex systems they attempt to measure. As a result, predictive models must be approached with caution. The limitations of forecasting. Science has made significant strides in weather forecasting, genetic research, and economic forecasting. However, these fields still face limitations in accurately predicting future outcomes. Despite advancements in scientific understanding, complex variables such as weather patterns, human health, and economic trends make long-term forecasting a challenge. Experts can predict the probability and likelihood of events, but the extent of accuracy remains elusive. Science provides a model for understanding the world, but life remains unpredictable, and surprises will always be a part of it. The challenge of predicting the future. Understanding complex systems, such as the weather, health, and economy, is difficult due to the inherent unpredictability and interconnectivity of these systems. While models and predictions can provide insight into current trends, no one can accurately forecast the future. Uncertainty leads to polarized discussions between optimists and pessimists, making prediction a holistic business. The best approach is to minimize humanity's impact on the planet through pollution reduction and care.
In conclusion, The Future of Everything highlights the inherent complexities and uncertainties in predicting the future of weather, health, and economic systems. Despite advancements in science and technology, obstacles such as numerous variables, ever-changing data, and dynamic systems still limit our capability to make accurate forecasts. The book emphasizes a holistic approach to understanding the influences among these areas to better grasp the interdependence of our world. While we may not be able to predict our future with certainty, we can learn from past experiences and insights to make informed decisions and strive towards a more sustainable, mindful existence on our planet.